Firstly, kahit kung magsoli ka ng 73 million, malversation has still been committed eh. Hindi ba? At the level of the ombudsman. Even if you return 73 million, an impeachable offense has still been committed as far as the impeachment is concerned. It was still a betrayal of public trust. So, ibig sabihin, hindi ho nako-cure ng returning of an amount of money yung pong mga pagkakasala under the Office of the Ombudsman and under impeachment proceedings.
Maituturing na pagkasira sa tiwala ng publiko at malversation o paglulustay ng pondo ng gobyerno ang ginawang paggastos ng tanggapan ni Vice President Sara Duterte sa mahigit 73 million pesos na halaga ng confidential funds mula December 21 to 31, 2022. Kaya para kay Bicol Saro Party List Representative Terry Ridon, House Justice Committee member, hindi maaabsweldo sa pananagutan si Vice President Duterte kahit isauli nito ang naturang pera sa pamahalaan.